These two foam roll exercises are a great hack for people having upper body stiffness and pain due to long working hours. Try these and let me know how does it feel. Sit into this position on a mat. Use a foam roller in front. Keep your arms like this on the roller and roll it further forward. As you roll, take your chest down as much as you can. Extend your shoulders. Keep your neck relaxed. Make sure not to get off your butt. Keep sitting down. Bring it back. Then stretch. Keep moving. Utilize the momentum to go further into new range. This exercise will help improve your thoracic mobility. Should not be done by someone who has some shoulder pain or impingement syndromes. For the next exercise, place a foam roller under your mid back, roughly at your scapular level. Lay down comfortably. Make sure your hips are always resting on the floor. Support your neck by clasping your hands behind. Keep your elbows wide. Now try to extend your thoracic spine and expand your elbows, and then while coming up, bring your elbows up and flex your thoracic spine. Make sure not to arch your lower back while you are extending. Lower back tends to be flat and still. Likewise, we don't want any movement at neck. We don't want to extend the neck. Neck is supported with the hands, and the only movement we are trying to do is at thoracic spine. Like this. Coming up, take your elbows up.